The OnePlus Switch app, now known as Clone Phone, comes to the rescue. Precisely. In such moments, whether you're switching phones due to an upgrade, a replacement, or wanting a fresh start, this app could make the transition smooth and hassle-free. Part 1. What is Clone Phone app? Does OnePlus have a transfer app? Yes. OPPO Clone Phone is the official tool for effortlessly transferring data to your new OPPO or OnePlus device from an old phone. This also answers the question, what is the new name of OnePlus Switch? Part 2. How to use Clone Phone to transfer files. What does Clone Phone app do? Can I use it to transfer data to my new OnePlus or OPPO phone? Yes. The Clone Phone app uses a combination of Wi-Fi Direct and Bluetooth technology to establish a secure connection between the old and new devices. Part 3. Pros and cons of Clone Phone app for OnePlus OPPO. OnePlus Clone Phone, previously known as the OnePlus Switch application, facilitates easy file transfers between phones, especially during device switches. Part 4. What are the best Clone Phone alternatives? 5 picks. 4.1 Mobikin transfer for mobile. Is there a tool that offers greater stability and tech advancements compared to the OnePlus Clone Phone application? Yes. We suggest giving priority to Mobikin transfer for mobile. 4.2 AC Soft MobiSync. Apart from iOS to iOS, Android to Android, or mobile to computer transfers, AC Soft MobiSync can seamlessly manage files across various platforms. This smart software enables easy migration and management for contacts, photos, videos, and a lot more. 4.3 Cloniate. Cloniate is a convenient OnePlus transfer app for cloning devices. With just the app and a Wi-Fi connection, you can easily transfer data between phones or tablets. It clones text messages, call logs, contacts, and app data effortlessly. 4.4 ShareIt. With a vast user base across Android and iOS, ShareIt operates seamlessly across platforms, requiring only a Wi-Fi connection. Ideal for quickly sharing documents, videos, apps, and games, it boasts high-speed transfers of up to 20 megabytes per second. 4.5 Huawei Phone Clone. Huawei's Phone Clone app simplifies data transfer between Android devices wirelessly. With its user-friendly interface, it offers fast and extensive cloning options. Ideal for Huawei users, it facilitates swift migration of data between Huawei phones.